Hey everyone, happy another Saturday. So, I am back with part 2 of bad food combinations that may ruin your health. So, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let's get started. So, in continuation with number 9, burgers with beer. Beer is the worst alcohol you can have, and the problem is the grains. Beer is basically fermented grains, which means you are drinking fungal mycotoxins that can cause cancer. It is also considered as lethal or deadly. According to some researchers, burgers, if they are not from grass-fed meat, are rich in corn and soy. They are high in omega-6 fats, which are pro-inflammatory. Next, number 10. Fruits with vegetables. It is simple. These are very different foods that digest differently. Fruits are digested much quicker and have more sugars, which can actually delay the digestive process of vegetables. However, if you must combine them, for example, if you are making a smoothie, choose green leafy vegetables over other types so it cannot bother your digestive system. And now number 11, bread and jam. Some carbohydrates are not good idea if you are watching your blood sugar. They cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Adding refined sugars to the equation only makes it a lot worse because the body does not like to have a lot of sugar. The extra is going to get stored in your fat cells, which is like the body's dumping ground. They can get an unlimited amount of sugar, causing you to weight gain. And now, number 12. Anything with free fat dressing. Many of the fat-free are loaded with sugar and salt. Watch out for the fat-free trap. When companies take out the fat, they add in sugar and other artificial ingredients to make up for the taste. Also, fat-free dressings will leave your body with a lack of nutrients and healthy fats that are really harmful for your body and overall health. Now number 13. Sour fruits and yogurt. The problem with yogurt is yeast. Yeast and mold contamination is a big reason why yogurt and other cultural dairy products go bad. The combination of fruits and sour fruits such as berries, a popular breakfast choice, can produce toxins and can cause sinus congestion as well as allergy-like symptoms. Now number 14. Alcohol and energy drinks. Energy drinks are infamously popular and notoriously bad for you, mostly because they are full of sugar. Your endothelial function is acutely worse after consuming the beverage. They are even worse when mixed with alcohol because they have too much caffeine. Last but not the least, tea and milk. Most teas have a lot of antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. But if you want to keep them, it's better to substitute milk with lemon. The problem is that the proteins in milk bind to the other antioxidants in tea and prevent them from being absorbed. If your tea has caffeine, it will decrease calcium absorption as well. That can drastically decrease the calcium contents in your body. So, enough for today. Let me know in the comment section below if you want part 3 of the video. Just do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon and share this video to all your contacts to spread awareness. I'll catch you later in the next episode. Till then, just take care a lot and thank you for watching my videos.